You tell me the division of space. Okay, there are so many units. Okay.
House, neighborhood, village, block, district, states, country, continent, earth, solar system. It is Milky Way galaxy, galaxies, universe, multiverse.
Okay, could you explain me those units a little bit?
Yes, I live in a house. Around my house the place is neighborhood. Many neighborhoods make a village. Many villages make a block. Many blocks make a district. Many districts make a state. Many states make a country. Many countries make a continent. Many continents make our earth. Our earth comes under solar system. Our solar system comes under Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy comes under galaxies. Galaxies comes under universe. Now many scientists think that there may be many universes. So we will call it as multiverse.